Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update your iPhone to iOS 18.3, the official version. This version is currently released and available for you to download and install. So in order to update your iPhone to this version, you want to first be sure that you're connected to the internet through either Wi-Fi or cellular data. And also you want to check out that your phone has enough storage. So in your settings, go to General and then click on iPhone storage here. And you want to make sure you have at least 10 gigs or more available. As you can see, I have 86 gig available. It'll tell you right here. If not, you can go ahead and delete some apps, some videos, photos to clear up some space. Now, once you have those requirements, go into your settings, and then from there, you want to go to General, and there's a software update option here. So if you go on software update, it'll check for update, and as you can see here, 18.3 is released. So this update will bring improvement to visual intelligence along with other enhancement, bug fixes, and security update for your iPhone. So that's how you can do it. And then you go ahead and click on update. It's going to ask for your passcode or Face ID, and then it will go ahead and start doing the update. Now, another thing to keep in mind, just to successfully update this, you want to make sure your phone is connected to a charger if it doesn't have 50% or more charge. So if you have 50% or more charge, it will install it. But during this process, I usually like to plug it in. So I'm going to go ahead and plug it in as it's downloading and going to install. Should take a couple minutes depending on how strong your Wi-Fi is to update the phone to the version here. Now there is also another way to update it. If you're not seeing the update right away, you can also update it through your computer using iTunes on a MacBook or a new Finder on a newer MacBook or on a computer. Just download iTunes and connect it to your computer and be able to go ahead and update it through there, which we show you another video on how to do that, as it takes a little bit longer. But this is going to be the quickest way to update your iPhone to the latest 18.3 update, which has a few improvements and of course bug fixes, which is important to do because this is 18.3 version, the latest version that's available for your iPhone. Keep in mind, this version is only applicable for compatible devices like the iPhone XR, XS, XS Max, and anything newer. If you have an iPhone 10 or older, it's not going to get the update. Even the iPhone SE second generation will get it, and anything newer like a third generation of SE, anything older than that like the first generation SE, will not get this update. So again, major update just released from Apple. As you can see here, you can go ahead and download and install the update on your phone to take advantage of the features. So here during this process, again, let this update happen to your phone, and then you'll be able to go ahead and install it, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks and reviews for this update that's coming up. We'll see you guys next time.